Hi guys, my name's Shane. So we're investing in Buy-to-Let. We've been around for around 2 years now. We're a property investment company based in London. Now, it's interesting because we've spoken to a lot of people around the room and everyone's got a certain opinion about where they think the market's going in. And there is a slight divided opinion. And I think, what we can do is right now share our experience of what we've had over the last sort of week. So I think with uncertainty obviously comes a lot of nervousness. And I think the market at the moment is nervous because of all the uncertainty. However, I think with uncertainty also comes opportunity. And I think the way in which we're positioning ourselves is that we have to try and find those opportunities where we can save time on the investor and they can still make money. And the view is very much long term. There may be some volatility in between. We understand that because there is uncertainty. However, I think the long-term horizon is there is short-term housing, and there will always be a need for housing. The company organises this event. It's actually here some of our views, like-minded people sort of talking and integrating and sort of sharing their opinions. And I think because people have got so many different opinions, there's a reason there is some uncertainty in the market. We've had our experience over the last few days. We've seen a whole host of individuals, international, cash-rich, national, coming to us and saying, look, where should we be looking? Where do we think that you guys should be looking, or where any investor should be looking? I think there was a time where you could pretty much pick blindly in England, buy something with a view that goes in value over time. I think now you have to look a little bit harder at what you're going to buy and where you're going to buy. And I suppose that's why we're here. So I hand over to Selvan, and please feel free to come and ask us any questions. I'll be around in the next hours.
I think Shane's covered everything, but I think it's fair to say we're in the unknown now. I mean, this is a new dawn, whichever way you're voting. There is this great unknown in the short term, but anyone following the stock market today, you see we're above pre-Brexit levels. Sterling has bounced up, but again, just echoing what Shane said, we have certainly seen. Last week, we have had more inquiries from not just international buyers, but national buyers too. And these aren't people running for the hills. These aren't people who are scared of their investments. These are people calling in and saying, what have you got? We fielded calls from international buyers saying, look, you're now 10-15% cheaper in the UK than you were a year ago. We're quite interested in buying, because actually I'm going to win on two grounds. I'm going to win on sterling appreciating, and I'm going to win on property prices appreciating. And that's been encouraging. We've had local people calling us up and saying, we're interested in investing in Buy-to-Let have the sale, because they're saying, what other alternatives do I have? If you're coming up to retirement, if you're saving for school fees, if you're saving up for a wedding, if you've got a 5-10 year investment horizon, what other opportunities do you have? The stock markets, yes. I started by saying they're up to pre-Brexit levels, but they're tumultuous. They are very violent moving at the moment. So, and then you can look at gilts. Well, we're at all-time lows on gilts. We're looking at gold, but again, how do you as retail buyers, how do you actually buy gold storage and things like that? So property remains a formidable option for people wanting to invest. Let me give you a bit of background. So I think we know a lot of people in here, and a lot of you know it. So we are investing in Buy-to-Let. We do everything from sourcing a property to finding the right financing for you. If you need financing, we go out there and if you were to buy it, we'll help you with all the conveyancing, all the legals. We'll then find the tenants for you, and then we'll manage the property. We don't pretend to be wealth managers. I know there's lots of wealth managers in the room, but our proposition is a wealth management proposition. What we try and do is take away the worry. There are people out there that are a little bit scared about what is happening to them. We could work with them to help them exit, but also create opportunities for other people. So, we have as an opportunity for people who are investing for the long term to be able to actually find some really good deals in the market at the moment. There's lots of our colleagues out there. Can I have a show of hands from guys who work here? A few of us here? That, do speak to us. If you're interested in doing business with us, if you're a developer, we work with lots of developers, we work with lots of people in finance, we work with lots of people in wealth management and so on. If you're a buyer interested in speaking with us and putting a plan in place, we can certainly do